Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and I love this oil mixture by Young Living. It's called Thieves. I use it for so many different things. Take a look. So I'll put about 5 drops into a diffuser, and the smell permeates the air. It smells like cinnamon and cloves. It is the perfect combination for the fall and winter, and I love that this has antibacterial properties in it as well. Another thing I'll do is I will put 1 drop with some coconut oil into some water and I'll drink it. It does have, like I mentioned, antibacterial properties. To make this multi-purpose cleaner, I'll add equal parts of water and vinegar and then about 10 drops of the oil, and it works really well, not to mention smells super. Also with the carrier oil, I'll add a few drops to the bottom of my feet to help with immunity. If you're looking for a multi-purpose essential oil that will do so many different things in your house and for your well-being, I would highly recommend this one by Young Living called Thieves. Smells amazing, and that's my point of view.